email from Mary Jo in Charlotte, North Carolina. She writes, "What is the difference between a baby born with a birth injury and a birth defect?" Well, according to that email, there is a difference. And in fact, that is true. A birth defect implies something that happened naturally, something that is genetic in nature, and something that couldn't be prevented. A birth injury, on the other hand, is exactly what it says, an injury that occurred during the birthing process. Now, if there's been a birth injury, that could often be a very serious event because a birth injury is typically something that is permanent and that will last throughout the child's lifetime. Such cases are very significant because the child would require special care, has special needs, and this needs to be investigated quite thoroughly. A birth injury is typically cerebral palsy or Erb's palsy, something involving the injury to the brachial plexus, which is a bundle of nerves in the shoulder. Either of these cases is very significant and needs to be examined quite closely. The way we do that is we look at the records to see what occurred during the birthing process, what the doctor did wrong or what he didn't do that he should have done. This could be on the nurse's part, it could be on the hospital's part, or it could be on the doctor's part. If you think you've been, or your child has been the victim of a birth injury, you need to call a qualified medical malpractice lawyer as soon as possible, have the records examined, and this case investigated. Such cases are very important and very significant, and they need to be handled correctly.